Smoking on gas, this shit louder than a Hemi.
Yeah. Oh, that's London on the track. Run that shit back.
Alright, so since today a pretty warm day, I decided I was gonna put these 20mm wheel spacers on the front of the car. As y'all know, I got the 15mm ones on the front right now, so I'm gonna take them off and put these 20s on. I need to grab these jack stands. I already put the chocks down. I need to buy me like a real jack and stuff, because I'm tired of using the one from the factory and stuff. So I need to buy me like a real jack so it can be easy to jack the car up. Alright, now I got the wheel off. I just gotta take this spacer off. I know this spacer was getting stuck, so somehow I'm gonna have to like pry into it with like a flat tip and a hammer and just knock it right out. I seen a video on YouTube on how to do it, so hopefully that worked for me, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Alright, so I just need to get me a flat tip screwdriver and a hammer so that I could get the spacer off. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm getting a hammer right now. I got the flat tip right here.
That's what she said?
So now I got the hammer. Thought we had a bigger one in here. Pretty sure, but I mean, right now this is all I can find. So hopefully this worked. This is a pretty small hammer, but we're gonna try to see what's gonna happen. So now I got everything. I got the hammer, the flat tip, and the ratchet with the 10mm socket. Now I got the passenger side done. As you can see, these are the 20mm, and this was the 15. So now I'm about to move over to the driver's side. Alright, as you can see, I got this side on right there. And I got this side on. Okay, so now it's the next day. After I put the spacers on, I went and took it out, test drove it. It's pretty good. One thing I gotta say is, if you don't have any suspension modifications or anything, you can get you some spacers and that would like pretty much change the handling of your car. The 8 gens, we got the non-electric power steering.
What?
Or we don't have electric power steering, and we got the double wishbone suspension, so that's like a plus. Whether you do have coilovers or lowering springs, whatever it is. If you don't have those, you get some wheel spacers, and that will actually change the handling, you know, by not too drastically, but enough where you would notice it. Like my setup, you have 25s in the back and 20s on the rear. It will make a difference. Even when I had the 15s on the front, but the 25s, it is a little bit better. So, you know, right now, if you don't have the money for coilovers or lowering springs, I mean, pretty much lowering springs and spacers are pretty much around the same price range. But, you know, if you want to go the spacer route, it does help with handling. It's probably not as good as, you know, if you get a suspension setup. But that's all I wanted to say. This is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, just let me know. But yeah, I'm out, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Yo!